Medics, I just want to show you a car we have in the shop. It's a 92 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. It has a lot of miles on it and it spun a bearing, and we'll show you what that means. Follow me. We dropped the oil pan. The engine was making a lot of knocking noise. That noise was coming from down here. If you can see, we got the cap off, the bearing cap off, and the bearing is actually missing right here. And you see the crank, how it's scored up. What needs to happen is this engine is going to need a complete rebuild. Gonna have to remove the crankshaft, replace the crankshaft and the bearings, and flush out the engine to get it running right again. It's a lot of work. But what we are trying to do is just replace this bearing and see how long it will run before it spins a bearing again. You can take the shortcut route, but your engine will not last. It will spin a bearing unless it's fixed right. And where's the bearing? It is all in here. If you see these metal particles, this is what's left of the bearing. And this is an oil pickup tube. What probably happened, not enough oil going through the journals, lubricating the bearing and the crankshaft, and then it destroys the bearing. And pretty much you gotta do a complete engine rebuild or replace the engine. So hopefully we'll make another video once we get this bearing in, and we'll see how it runs. Thanks.